Hey there guys, it's Shane from Discover 4x4 Adventures here, and today we got a gift in the mail. We've been lucky enough from iDrive Australia to give us one of their units to put in our Triton. Let's have a look here. A few stickers there, it's a nice box that comes in, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool looking. And there she is, the iDrive Ultimate Performance Throttle controller. Very compact little unit, as you can see here. Let's go chuck it in and see how it performs. For those of you that don't know how this actually works, it just plugs, it's plug and play kit, and it plugs straight into your throttle pedal, the plug on top of that, and it's really there just to get rid of the turbo lag, makes your car feel like it's performing a lot better. Very good bit of kit for the price they are and how easy they are to install. Alright, here we go guys. Let's have a look where we should mount this thing. I reckon about there looks pretty neat. The LEDs then won't be too bright for when you're driving at night time either. It's not too far in your way. Let's get her in there. Filthy. Sits pretty well. Looks pretty flush. Let's have a look up in here. So on this model Triton, that there is the plug we undo and piggyback the iDrive plug between, and that's it. Then she's wired up and good to go. Alright, that's all plugged in. Let's turn it on, see how it goes. It's on. Yeah, look at that. Factory. Shut the door, it's fucking loud. So we've got, yeah, factory. Eco mode all the way up to 9. Then we've also got ultimate mode up to 9, or auto, which varies on how hard you press the pedal. Let's take it for a drive. Alright, so we've got it on auto at the moment. Let's see how she goes. Oh shit. Oh, sorry guys. That is insane. Wow, that's only on... Let's chuck it to ultimate. Let's see how it goes. Let me just get around this corner. Ultimate 9. That is an insane amount of power. The pickup, wow. All I have to say guys, just, it's insane. You have no idea how we're driving without it before. Let's put it back to auto mode. Yeah. No idea how it's just crazy guys. Highly recommend getting yourselves one, because you, for the price they are and how easy and quick they install, you definitely will not regret it. It is insane. Insane. Let me just pull back up, work up here for a sec. To the guys at iDrive, highly appreciate what you've done. It goes amazing, and I'm keen as to test it off-road. Appreciate it, guys.